Hello kids! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Come on kids, let's learn. Today, we are going to learn sight words.
Today, we are going to learn 5 sight words.
First, let's meet our friend. Can. Hi, I'm the sight word can. I can do many things. Let's meet our friend. See.
Hello, I am the sight word see. I love to see new things.
Let's meet our friend. Like.
Hey there, I'm the sight word like.
Let's meet our friend. At.
Hi, I am the sight word at. I can be at so many places.
Let's meet our friend. Go.
Hello everyone. I am the sight word go. I love to go on adventures.
Now that we've met our sight word friends, let's go on an adventure with a story using all 5 words.
I can see a bird at the park. I like its colorful feathers. We go to the lake. I can see fish swimming. We can see butterflies at the garden. I like their wings. We go to the pond. I can see ducks swimming.
Let's find out all the can words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Can, 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 can. Good job. We can now point out the word can when we see it. Let's find out all the see words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. See, 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 see. Good job. We can now point out the word see when we see it. Let's find out all the at words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. At, 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 at. Good job. We can now point out the word at when we see it. Let's find out all the like words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Like, 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 like. Good job. We can now point out the word like when we see it. Let's find out all the go words in this paragraph. Let's start from the beginning. Go, 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 go. Good job. We can now point out the word go when we see it.
Good job, kids. You have learned another set of sight words today. See you soon.